Hey, it's Adrienne. And if you've been having trouble making sales online, I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic starting as early as today. So go ahead and click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Now, in my last video, I talked to you about the new Profits Passport 2.0 system. But what I didn't mention is that you get a 100% free traffic package that includes 200 real-time visitors to your website. So this is high quality traffic that comes from Traffic Authority. And generally it costs a little over $200, but you're going to get it absolutely free. Now, the first income stream in the Profits Passport system is called E1U Life, and they're the ones that's actually going to provide you with the bonus traffic. So when you give them your referral link, at the end of it, they're going to add a tracker so that you'll know exactly where your website visitors are coming from. So if I go down to the bottom of the page, you can see right here all the bonus traffic that came in from E1U Life. Now, all you have to do is just click the link below this video and sign up for a free Profit Passport's website. And then you're going to come up to income stream number 1 and click this activate button. So what that's going to do is take you over to the E1U Life website. And here you can see all the training packages that are available. And they range from $30 all the way up to $2,500. And again, there are no monthly fees draining your bank account with this platform. Now, E1U Life can actually be promoted on its own. So after you create your account, you'll get a lead capture page that looks like this. And so whenever someone fill out this form, they're going to be taken to the sales page. And over here is where they'll be able to watch a short video about the affiliate program. Now, this page also gives them a brief description about whatever training package that they purchase. And then when they're ready to buy, all they have to do is just click the Buy Now button. And after you buy the training package, you're going to be given an email that has your username. So you're going to take that username and come back to the Profits Passport page and then just enter your username right here so that whenever you start sending traffic to your Profits Passport system, you're also going to get signups into your E1U Life affiliate program. And that's how simple this is. You just advertise one website and you'll have money coming in multiple ways. So if you have been having trouble making sales online, then go ahead and click the link below this video and get started today. I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.